In this video, I'm going to show you how to bring Solana to Axiom account. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, from here, once you have your Axiom Pro account, to bring Solana on there, you'll have to deposit it. So the way you can do this is just press deposit over here in the top right, and then after that, you want to get your deposit address. So you have to select Solana over here if it doesn't say Solana already, and then you have your deposit address over here. So what you have to do is copy this address and then go to another one of your wallets where you are holding some Solana. So now I've copied this, and you can use basically whichever wallet you want. So MetaMask or Phantom, Solflare, Trust Wallet, maybe even Binance, Coinbase, whatever. So wherever you have Solana, you can use this address to send it from that exchange to your Axiom account. And I'm going to show you how to do it inside Phantom, for example, over here. And you just want to click on send and then select Solana, paste in the address, which is the same as this one over here, and then the amount of Solana you would like to send, next, and then confirm. And after that, in just a few seconds, it will be transferred and your Solana will come from your other wallet to Axiom account. However, if you do not have another wallet where there's Solana on there, you can also go over here where it says buy, and you can directly buy Solana because they are basically partnered with Coinbase, and you can buy it via Coinbase directly. So let's say you want to buy one Solana, you can click one and then press buy over here, which will redirect you to the Coinbase account where you will basically first have to sign in. And once you sign in, you'll have to confirm some of your information, as you're going to see in a second over here. There we go. And after you confirm this, you'll basically be able to buy that amount of Solana and fund your wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.